I'm Jeff Colway with RJC Structural Engineers. We designed the 7th Avenue LRT Refurbishment project. 7th Avenue downtown LRT is the stretch of the LRT system that runs through downtown Calgary. It's the busiest stretch of the LRT because everyone is coming and going from work. These stations were originally done in the 80s, in '86, leading up to the Winter Olympics. And we did a refurbishment of the entire downtown corridor to bring it all up to modern standard. This project, everything above the deck level, all the structural steel, all the miscellaneous supports were all galvanized, as well as the rebar down in the precast concrete. All the steel was bought at the outset of the project, and then each segment was galvanized as a section of parts like a mechano set or an assembly line process. So each section was galvanized and then shipped to site and bolted together until it became the final assembly that you see out here. Galvanizing was chosen for a couple reasons. It was chosen aesthetically by the architect. They wanted the platforms to have an appearance that was consistent with their function, and it was also considered because of the maintenance concern on the owner's front. So Calgary Transit was very keen to make sure that they didn't have any large ongoing maintenance needs, because to come out here and shut down the platform and do any maintenance would require disruption to service, which is a big problem for them. There's always ongoing sort of cleanup and that sort of thing, so graffiti has to be patched, and the paint around the base of the galvanized steel that provides a visual warning for the visually impaired has to be touched up because it gets abused and chipped and that sort of thing. All the LRT stations subsequent to this on the LRT line here in Calgary, going up into the northeast and going west on the new West LRT, all of the structural steel on those were galvanized for the same reasons. And we see a lot of galvanizing on infrastructure products in the out-of-doors, railings and handrails, and anything that's in a high wear situation that has to last without a lot of ongoing maintenance. Galvanizing is able to perform in an aggressive and high wear environment. It's a high quality product, and it's definitely stood up out here. If we built it again, we would galvanize it again. It's turned out well. It was the product that the architect was looking for, and it's definitely servicing that need to have a maintenance reduced structure.